Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change audio pitch in Audacity step by step. You can use this feature to make a voice sound higher or lower without changing the overall speed of the audio. First, open Audacity and import your audio file by clicking File and then Open. Once the audio is loaded, press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select the entire audio track. Next, go to the Effect menu, choose Pitch and Tempo, and then click Change Pitch. A new window will appear with several pitch adjustment options. The easiest way to change pitch is by using the semitone slider. Move the slider to the right to increase the pitch and make the voice sound higher. Move it to the left to decrease the pitch and make the voice sound deeper. For a natural result, try increasing or decreasing the pitch by about 3 semitones. Click Preview to hear the result before applying the effect. This allows you to test the pitch and make adjustments if needed. One important advantage of the change pitch effect is that it changes the pitch without changing the speed or duration of the audio. Your recording will remain the same length while the voice becomes higher or lower. Once you are satisfied with the sound, click OK. Audacity will process the audio and apply the new pitch to the track. Finally, export your edited audio by clicking File, then Export Audio, and save it as an MP3 or WAV file. That's how you change audio pitch in Audacity quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out my other Audacity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hello everyone and welcome back.